Okay, so today ADTX is the only one that's coming up with good data. Let's just refresh the page quick. Okay, so it is a higher probability of moving up at the open. It's got a high breakout percentage and it's got a decent amount of data. So this will be the ideal trade for today. Open up prices. I want to risk $5, so I'm going to get 12 shares total for a potential to make $22 profit if I hit all the profit prices. So that means I'll be breaking it down into groups of three for the bracket orders. What was it? It was 657 for the stop loss. I'm debating whether or not I should just buy all in one lump sum and then attach brackets, but I'm going to do separate. Okay, 732 for the first profit. $764, $796. And then 884. No, 886. Double check. Okay, so the price is updated a little bit. Change those slightly. Now it is kind of close to a 50-50 for moving up or down at market open, so I could use method 1 or method 2, but I'm going to just stick with method 2, so just go all 12 shares for the movement up at market open. Go ahead and enter all these orders. My limit prices and stop price might be slightly off from what it's saying on the website, but that's perfectly fine. If it's off by a few cents, it's not that big of a deal. Ideally, it's as close as possible, but I know that's difficult to achieve. Updated slightly. Go ahead and edit these orders so that they're the right or closer to the right numbers. Price is currently kind of floating around that same area, so the numbers shouldn't be too far off. Okay, and then we wait for market open in a minute or so. and then my numbers are a little bit off. My profits are a little bit higher. Okay, all of the orders purchased. Good, it's moving up. It hit that price too quickly, so I'm not gonna edit it. And it's halted, so I'll come back in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. Now we should resume shortly. There we go. Big gap up. None of my limit orders are executing. None of my profit prices. All of them should have executed. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter market sell orders. Get out my remaining shares, my last one. I guess I could wait and see. I'm already well above all of the profit prices, so I am content with this return, much higher than the 880 for the last profit price. No, I'm not going to attach a bracket. I think I'll just sell market. That candle's kind of iffy at the peak there, so I am just going to sell. I'm going to get out my last group of shares. There we go. Out of the trade. Let's see how much. What was our percent gain? We had 2 at 891. Okay. And then we had 2 at 874. Or 3 at 874.47. And then 3 at 876.06. 876.06. And the final one was 868. Okay. Only had about $100 in there at the end. And divide that by, I didn't buy 11 or 12. I accidentally did 2 on the other one. So there we go. Easier number. 25% gain. 25% in under 15 minutes. 25%.